I'm Abigail Loya, and I teach the instrumentation program out of Winnemucca. I teach hybrid electrical and then instrumentation, and then I teach in-person instrumentation as well. I've always liked working with my hands, and I just kind of knew that I wanted to do something in the field. The maintenance training cooperative that we have with the local mining community would come down to the high school and talk to me all the time. And the electrical and instrumentation program just really grabbed my eye, and I knew that's what I wanted to do from the time I was a freshman in high school. And so I applied for the MTC my senior year and I got it. I went out to Phoenix Mine. I was out there for 9 years and then had 2 little kids and wanted to look at doing something different where I could be more present as a mother. And so this opportunity came available to me and now I teach.
Abby is absolutely one of our most shining stars. I have really a lot of great people on my team. But Abby, I really have grown to appreciate because of her enthusiasm and her excitement in teaching. She loves to grow in her teaching ability, bringing things into her classroom and into her labs that are going to help her be successful. But beyond that, she has even decided to pursue a master's degree to help her to become a better instructor, a better teacher. And so I'm really excited to see where Abby goes as a teacher, as a student, as a leader, as an individual. She brings a lot of excitement and is a great example of industry individuals who transition into teaching and give that opportunity to the next generation of employees.
I think the cool part about me being homegrown from Winnemucca, working in the mine and going through the GBC program is I knew the things that we did really good, but I also knew the things that we didn't do so good. So I've kind of changed and adapted that, and I always told myself that I wanted to teach the students what I felt like I needed to know when I first got out into the field. I learned that coming from the field and being a teacher is one of the hardest things. So like stepping into that role, knowing what you're gonna say, not stuttering over your words, it was really difficult, and relearning that curriculum and those fundamentals that I hadn't seen for years, it was really hard, but it was really rewarding in the end. And I noticed that each year I get better and better. I was the lead man in our shop, and when we get interns coming in, I really like teaching them and showing them things that I had learned, because not only did it make their life easier, it made my life easier, you know? I didn't know this was something I wanted to do, and I was hesitant to do it at first, and I became a teacher and in this teaching role for the schedule and so I could be a mom to my kids. But then once I got in here, it's so rewarding. I love it when the students have that, oh, that's how that works moment. I've only been doing this 3 years, but every year I have past students come back and tell me that really happens in the field. We really learn that, or we really see that. And I'm like, I know. That's why I wanted to teach you that. So.